Heaven's whisper, calling me home. In the stillness I can hear a voice that draws me near. Through shadows you remain, speaking peace again. Your words fall soft and slow, like light on morning snow. Each breath becomes a prayer. You're always there. You move within in the calm. You're the healing in my soul. Every silent tear you trace with gentle grace. Heaven's whisper, sweet and low. Through the night, your mercy flows. Every sigh, every sound, your love is all around. Heaven's whisper, pure and true, guides my heart back home to you. Even when I fade, your whisper stays. stays. Heaven's whisper, calling me home. Heaven's whisper. Light of eternity, shine on me. The dark has lost its hold. Your glory now unfolds. Every tear the night has sown, you've overthrown. I stand beneath your glow, the only truth I know. Your mercy never fades, it lights my days. Through every rise light of eternity, shine on me, light of eternity. I see the edge of day, your grace leads every way. The ocean meets the sky, your promise never dies. Through distance I can feel your presence calm and real. My heart begins to rise to stretch beyond my sight. You turn the dark to light. Forever I will stand in your hand. Eternal horizon, wide and bright. You paint the world with holy light. Every wave, every sound, your glory all around. Eternal horizon, pure and true. All my hope returns to you. Forever I'll look in. Eternal horizon. Your promise to behold, I feel you in the air. Your love is everywhere. Yesterday fades away. Mercy means today. You whisper in the glow. I'm with you, don't let go. Grace like a river flows through every heart that knows. You breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Be moved by me. With hearts awake. You paint the sky so wide. Your truth will never hide. Every color sings your grace. Fill in this place. I hear the world renew. All creation points to you. My soul begins to rise to endless skies. Grace like a river flows through every heart that knows. You breathe and I awaken by your word unshaken. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence leads the way. Hearts awake, pure and bright, dancing in your holy light. Every move I make. With hearts awake, your love won't fade away. It meets me every day. The morning sings your name, forever the same. Hearts awake, your light we see. Faith alive inside of me. Through the dawn, through every day, your presence begins to fade. Your mercy's newly made. The shadows lose their hold. Your promise unfolds. I lift my eyes once more to see what's been restored. Each breath awakens me, it waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. In breath of Your light paints the sky in gold. Stories of grace retold. The earth begins to sing to its holy King. Your spirit stirs the air, a love beyond compare. You're all my heart adores, forever yours. Your peace awakens me like waves upon the sea. Your voice within the breeze whispers rest in me. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Every light, every sound, heaven's love is all around. Breath of dawn, pure and sweet. In your rhythm my heart beats. Every fear is gone. Let your mercy fall like rain. Wash away the pain. In the stillness I belong within your song. Breath of dawn, you make me new. All my hope returns to you. Your spirit covers me. Every tide, a holy sound. Your mercy all around. The stars reflect your light through every sleepless night. In the deep I feel you near, whispering I'm here. You move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. When the dawn begins to gleam, you awaken every dream. Through the storm and through the rain, your peace remains. Every tear you turn to grace. Your love fills every space. I'm carried by your flow. Wherever you go, you move the heart inside like waves that never die. Your love begins to rise through endless skies. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of praise. Your spirit moves like ocean wind. New beginnings never end. Grace unfolding, hearts awake. Your love, the tide I take. Waves of praise rise again, wash my soul from where I've been. Every breath, every sound, heaven's glory all around. Waves of praise, pure and true, flowing endlessly to you. Every heart you raise with waves of waves of praise, rolling through my soul. Waves of praise. Heavy beats, deep praise in me. In the silence of the soul, your rhythm makes me whole. Every pulse a sacred sound, your presence all around. When the night begins to glow, your spirit starts to flow. Every breath becomes a hymn. I give it all to Him. You lift my heart so high, through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. When I dance beneath your grace, I feel your warm embrace. Every note a spark of fire, lifting my desire. Through the night your spirit moves. In your rhythm my heart grooves. All creation sings along to heaven's endless song. You lift my heart so high, through every tear I cry. Your mercy fills the space, a symphony of grace. Deep praise, heavenly beats, where my soul and heaven meet. Every rhythm, every sound, your glory all around. Deep praise, shining light through the dark of endless night. Every pulse my heart repeats. Deep praise, heavenly beats. Your love in motion, waves of grace. Your spirit fills this place. I'll praise you high above in never-ending love. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory is shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of heaven's glow inside my chest, my heart finds rest. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Echoes of light calling me home. Your glory shining where I roam. Through every tear, through every fight, you break the dark with echoes of light. Echoes of light, pure and true. Every breath belongs to you. In you I find my side. Echoes of breaking the night. Echoes of light. River of mercy, flow through me. In the calm of early light, your grace restores the night. Every tear becomes the sea of what you've done for me. Your love like water pure, forever your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit be my guide. Wash my soul so free. River of mercy. In the flow I find release. You turn my fear to peace. Your whisper moves the tide with love inside. Every shadow fades away when I begin to pray. Your current pulls me near. I feel you here. You move so silently, yeah, you're all I see. Your spirit fills this place with endless grace. River of mercy, gentle and strong, you've carried my heart all along. Every wave, every sound, your healing love abounds. River of mercy, calm and wide, let your spirit